fields around me, but there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes down a wishing well. It's your heart's desire carry you. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you.
Hello, everyone. This is Essential Balkans Virtual Marketplace, the third presentation of the day. And now we're bringing you Romania. For Romania, we have incoming Romania Association who is participating at this year's event. There are basically 7 great DMCs who all work with your markets and who will be happy to serve you when you travel to Romania and the region. Let's see who are these 7 participating DMCs. First one is Santiago Tours. They are doing tours around Eastern Europe in Romania. They have over 20 custom tour options, very good pricing, and excellent clients reviews and services. World Synergy Travel, I'm sure you have meetings with them as well today. Offices in Bucharest and Sofia, very quality groups and FIT since 2018, and very known by authentic programs that they offer in the region. Rotours, they are expert in river cruising groups and MICE, so a lot to do with the American market as well. Escorted and team tours, dedicated and passionate team, and expanding servicing range with very into the details. Carpathian Travel Center, focus on active, self-driving private tours, very much doing the FITs as well. They are serving small and bigger groups as well from USA, Asia, and Europe since 2007. Rolandia, specialized in premium bespoke tours in Moldova as well as Romania, tailored for FIT, the small groups. They do very high-end stuff as well. They own their own fleet and premium vehicles. Eastern European experiences, fast-growing DMC and ship ground handler in Romania, partners with 7 cruise lines and over 30 land tour partners, so they are quite big. Committed to service excellence in incoming market, and they are doing very well in the group tours. And Top Tours Romania, they are based in Bucharest, inbound tour operator, experienced professional team. They have very good access to the unique places, history, heritage, and culture. Now we have with us Virginia Lungu from Rotours DMC, one of the 7 participating DMCs from Romania. Virginia, how is it everything for you?
Very nice, very excited to be here.
How is your day so far?
Very well. We have sun in Bucharest at this moment, so I'm very happy that I'm charging my batteries with the sun.
So let's see what kind of sun people can get in Romania. Tell me first, like we prepared a couple of questions for you, so you can tell more about your beautiful country. What can you tell me about your country, Romania? We know the name, but what do we need to know more about it?
Well, as you probably know, or you should know, that Romania is a small country in Eastern Europe. I'm very proud as a Romanian to have here all landforms, the beautiful Carpathian Mountains in the middle, north and west side of the country, the Danube River with the Danube Delta overflowing into the Black Sea, plain fields and hills in the southern part of Romania. You should know that the capital is Bucharest. That is Bucharest, Romania, and not Budapest, Hungary, as it often gets confused.
Of course.
The most important thing is that the capital is a major hub for most of the airlines. At this point, there is no direct flight from US or Canada. However, the connections through Frankfurt, Amsterdam, London, and Vienna are quite good. The flights are arriving in Bucharest either at noon or in the afternoon.
Okay. Tell me, in terms of other cities, which other cities where you can fly to? I know not directly from the US, but there are major hubs for Romania.
As I said, you can fly to Bucharest, which is the capital, but also since Transylvania is maybe the most famous region in Romania, the tourists can fly also on Sibiu or Brașov, which
city.
are the major cities in the Transylvania region.
Yeah, and in terms of visiting the country, I mean the time of the year, I would say personally, I would go there every time of the year because every time of the year brings a different perspective. But what do you think as a travel professional from Romania? What would you suggest?
I do agree with you, especially spring and autumn are very nice are very nice periods in terms of weather. So during spring and autumn, we have 15 to 20 Celsius degrees, which is really good. And then during summer, summer is a bit more difficult in the cities. We could have, for example, in Bucharest, we have up to even 40 degrees. But in the mountain regions, like Transylvania, Moldova, the weather is really, really nice and cool. And now during winter, as I told you, it's sunny now. So we have like 8 to 10 degrees in this moment. During winter, we have many, many Christmas markets, at least one in all the cities. For example, now in Bucharest, we have 3. They start, let's say, mid-November or end November until 25th of December. And I am very proud to tell you that Craiova just won second place on top 10 best European markets this year.
For the Christmas. So that's fantastic. People always want to go to places in December that have amazing Christmas markets. I know you guys are kind of on the frontier of the many conflicts that happened recently in Europe. Ukraine is next to you, although those are huge countries. Conflicts happen very far away from Romania, but I'm sure you got some of that aspect. Is that influencing you also now, and also other conflicts? Or I mean, I was there in summer, and cities were booming. Everything was really fun and fine, and people were there. Tourists were there. How do you see as a travel professional? Because you see the numbers as well.
Well, when the conflict with Ukraine started, it was quite a shock in the first month. After this first, or let's say 2 months, things got slowly back to normal. There were a lot of Ukrainians crossing the border at that time, but now, so I think after 6 months, after the war started, the Ukrainians are fully integrated. So they have jobs here, their kids go to school, so things are going back to normal. Yeah, everything is just before the pandemic, let's say.
Yeah, and you guys done so much for the refugees. I know this, and we are all really thankful for that. We don't have much more time left, so just one more question. As somebody selling Romania to, especially now to the buyers from North America, how would you sell it? Like, what would be the reason for the visit Romania for the people? How would you convince me in like 1 minute?
Okay, so first and most important, Romania is a safe country comparing with the unfortunate events that happened in Western Europe. Also, it's a very affordable country. One can have a street food snack like a pretzel or a pastry for $1 or $2 US. You can have a simple lunch for $6 US. Besides, Romania is well known for its hospitality. Even in our daily social life, when we have a guest, for example, we serve him with our best food and drink, and we make sure that he's feeling comfortable. So this is the Romanian way. We have a lot to show, and we have a lot to tell the tourists, starting with our, rich cultural heritage. history, going all the way to the traditions and natural biodiversity. Oh,
Yes.
and not to forget, Romanians are very happy. New figures from the US, from the European Union Statistics Agency Eurostat, Romania was ranked second as the happiest country in the 27-member bloc. So we
Oh,
are a
wow.
happy nation.
That's really important for me as well. So, and I know that also British King like to come to Romania. He has his property there, and if it's good for King to come there with the smiley people and all the things you have to show, I'm sure it's good for everyone.
Yeah, King Charles is actually one of our ambassadors.
Yes, that's true. Yeah, I know this. Yeah, and I visited his property this year as well. Okay, let's all go back now to meetings. Before we do this, we have a short video of Romania and then back to the meetings. Thank you, Virginia, so much for this lovely presentation.
Thank you,
and
Tina.
for your sharing your happiness. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
This is where I'm dreaming to be floating away. Beyond the mountains, the rivers, the colors, beyond time in all seasons. Only in this way could I embrace everything. This place does exist and is alive. You can feel it pulsating with life. You would really like Romania and the Romanians. These streets, shrouded in history, have been an inspiration for many a story and legend cozily narrated by the fireplace. This is the place where people are a story in themselves. A story to be told to everyone, whenever possible. This is the place where Count Dracula and the vampires were born. You could fall in love with our healthy lifestyle in the countryside, our traditional food, our music, and zest for life. Our towns are abuzz with life and colors, vibrant with people and light. Go to the Parliament Palace. It is the largest building in Europe. Visit our museums, art galleries, and memorial houses. Watch in admiration the architectural monuments. The fortified churches and the monasteries so deeply veiled in spirituality. The palaces and castles built on a rocky peak. A petulant mixture of history, culture, and pleasure. Dive down. We have reached the center of the earth. Climb up. We have reached the peak. We will be smiling to you wherever you might meet us. Romania is humming with life. Discover the land of parties and electrifying music festivals. Romania never sleeps and never tires. We love sports and we go for top performance. The first #1 in the history of tennis is Romanian.
Please visit Romania. For me, Romania is #1.
We have everything in the world. You have all the time in the world. Come to Romania.